and welcome to Nutrition Therapy by Lucy. This is a channel where we'll talk about food, good nutrition, and health. Thank you for your support, for always watching my videos, leaving a comment, giving them a like. I am so grateful, even for subscribing to this channel, Nutrition Therapy by Lucy. But if you're here for the first time, please consider on hitting that subscribe button, the red button. For the new subscribers, karibu sana, feel welcomed. Here we talk matters, nutrition, and health to make sure that we live a healthy lifestyle. So today we're going to prepare a juice that can help in metabolism during weight loss journey. Remember, in weight loss, the major problem is metabolism. You find that most people, they have a slower metabolism. So today we're going to prepare a juice that can help in metabolism and also get to learn a few tips on weight or in weight management. So let's go direct to our ingredients. Ingredient, we are going to use an apple. We can use all of it or maybe a half of it. Apple, very good source of fiber, because again in weight loss you go for the high fiber diet, or anything that you are eating or consuming, make sure it's very high in fiber, because fiber helps in weight loss, and this is how it helps you. Once you consume a food or anything that is very high in fiber, it gives you that satiety value, or you get to be full faster compared to eating maybe highly refined foods. So fiber, it's a big deal when it comes to weight loss. So we are going to use an apple, good source of fiber. I have a cucumber, again very good source of fiber and water content. Then we have a lemon, good for metabolism, ginger, and also we have a melon, just the water content. It has, you can say that a melon maybe it has calories. It's good because it's 95% water content. So these are our ingredients. Let's prepare and let's see how our juice to boost in metabolism will come out. I had washed my ingredients and also my hands are clean. So let's go direct to preparing them. Just going to put them there. Going to start with the cucumber. Good source of fiber, like I have said, and you need fiber in weight loss. Anything you eat, you should make sure that it's very high in fiber, and fruits, they are good source of fiber. So that's our cucumber. It is our cucumber. And also cucumbers, they are a good source of water. You can use them to hydrate yourself all day. This is our apple. You can use the red one or just the green one. The only difference between the red and green, it is the sugar content, the sweetness. This one is more sweeter compared to the green one, but the fiber content is just the same. So you can just go for any. I think I'm going to use that half. Then this is our ginger. You just use everything. You don't have to peel the ginger. Just use everything. You can get interactive on the comment section. Maybe you can let me get to know how, if you are on a weight loss journey, how is it? Are you consistent? Are you patient with your journey, because again in weight loss you must be consistent. You don't start the journey today, then maybe after 2 days a week you don't want to continue. Must be consistent. Consistency and patience, they go hand in hand in weight loss. So you can let me get to know the comment section. How is your weight loss journey like? Are you finding it hard? Maybe you can let me get to know. So this is our lemon. I'm not going to use the skin. I usually use the skin when I'm boiling, but right now because we are going to blend, I'm not going to use the skin. And this kind of a juice is one that you can sip just all day, maybe in between your meals as a snack. Maybe instead of indulging in some other snacks, this is a good juice that you can use to sip in between the meals. Now let's go to our melon. Even for the melon, I think I'm going just to use half of it. Maybe 3/4. And also, as much as you're watching your diet, exercise is very important in weight loss. You must incorporate the two. Be keen on your diet and also exercise, because actually exercise is the one that is going to help you more when it comes to metabolism. Going to help you in metabolism and help to burn those extra calories and burn the fat. So exercise is a must, because it will contribute 20% in your weight loss journey, and 20% actually a big deal. So you must exercise. And exercise, it doesn't mean that you must go to a gym. No, there are simple exercises that you can engage in and help in weight loss. You can do rope skipping and other simple exercise. So let's blend our ingredients and let's just see how the juice will come out. And our juice is ready. You can take it that way or you can strain. Let me just strain it. And actually this juice is good for detox. If you're looking for maybe a juice for detoxification, this can help. And also maybe it's good to note, as much as you're taking maybe such juices, what you put on your plate matters. The food actually is the most important thing. Don't just eat anything with an excuse that you're going to maybe to make such a juice. This maybe can only contribute to maybe 5 to 10% of your weight loss journey, but the rest is the food that you eat. That's the most important thing. In weight loss, learn portion and size control. Carbohydrates, the choices you make, choose your carbs very wisely. and also staying hydrated. So as much as you're making such juices, please control your portion and size. And by portion and size, this is what exactly I mean. By now, this place should be familiar to you. I think I have used it way so long. And this is what I mean by portion control. Here, just make sure that it is the veggies, all color. Variety, diversification is the key. So make sure that half of the plate is the veggies, then protein and your carbohydrates. And in weight loss, carbohydrates are very important because actually that is the source of maybe of excess body fat or weight gain. Because once you consume, maybe when you consume carbohydrates that are refined, you're going to store a lot of fat in your body, and also it's not good for glucose metabolism. So for the carbohydrates, choose them wisely. Go for the high fiber carbohydrates. Those are the fruits. If you're eating the fruits, eat with the skin. Don't peel the skin. Go for high fiber carbohydrates like the brown bread or the wholemeal, arrowroot. So that are the ndoma, the sweet potato, all those. If it's chapati, you can do atta chapati. Make sure the carbohydrates that you are eating, they are high in fiber. You can go for the brown rice, the brown ugali, all those. But maybe if you cannot afford the brown rice because it's actually a bit expensive, even the white rice, make sure that the portion is as small as possible. But again, don't restrict yourself from carbs. Maybe by this I mean that you say that you're not going to maybe to eat carbohydrates completely. That's bad because again your body needs energy. And once your body is not at state of homeostasis, actually your body can reject anything, and you find that you're doing anything, everything, but you're not losing the excess pounds. So make sure that your plate is balanced. Like I have said, half of the plate, your veggies, all colors, make them colorful, a rainbow of veggies. Then make sure that you control your carbohydrates and let them be high in fiber. Reduce the simple carbohydrates. By the simple carbohydrates, there are these that are high in sugar. That is the white rice, the white bread, all those. Choose your carbohydrates very wisely. And also, like I have said, exercise is very important when it comes to weight loss because it is going to help in metabolism. In weight loss, metabolism is an issue because there is that slower metabolism. But once we engage in exercise, you're going to help your metabolism and also making such juices. Fruits, veggies, eat them very generously, and also water to keep yourself hydrated. So this is the juice. This is the juice. Maybe I can have a sip too. Wow. So this is the juice that you can use if you're on a weight loss journey, just to help in metabolism. But like I have said, don't just eat anything in an excuse that you're going to make such juices. What you put in your plate is very important. So food comes first, then your juice, then your exercise, to make sure that you have that holistic approach. You're approaching the weight loss holistically. So food first, be cautious, be very careful, make sure that you exercise, and also make such a juice. It will help you, it will do you a great deal on your weight loss journey. And like I have said, in weight loss, be consistent and patient. It won't happen in just one day. Remember, you didn't add that weight in one day. It took you maybe even a year, two. So even in your weight loss journey, please be patient and be consistent. Consistency actually is the name of the game. And also practice self-discipline. You don't have to eat anything that you see. Self-discipline is very important in weight loss. So this is our juice that can help you in your weight loss journey. This is our juice for metabolism, and also the one that you can use to detoxify. Like I have said, your food is very important. Control your portion and size. Choose your carbohydrates very wisely. Eat generously the fruits and vegetables. Keep hydrated and exercise, because it will help you in metabolism, which is very important in weight loss. So if you have learned something of this video, please give it a thumbs up, give it a like, get interactive. Let me get to know your thoughts on the comment section, and also turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you get notified. And most importantly, subscribe to this channel, Nutrition Therapy by Lucy, for more of nutrition tips, nutrition counseling, and nutrition education. Thank you and bye-bye.